We are.
No, no, no.
Mhm.
Nothing I will change about that video.
Mhm.
Like anyone who knows me, I care about young talent. Yabo, uma ungazi mina, okay, you guys know me. I care about young talent. Ngeke mfethu ufike kwi-event uno-disrespect-a i-local artist who has been pushing your event on social media ngedatha lakhe and everything. Ufike umtshela akaphume e-stage. There was an event engange-athi the young guy kwathiwa, "Hayi phuma e-stage wena sekumele kuphefome ubani?" Ephefome yabo. And I was pissed. All amathi ama-close esiwabhukhile abayiphushi i-event. Kufike the day of an event,
Yeah, man.
yabo. The guys who push the event, ama-local artists, day of an event sebethi sokohlama. That's why the video I clicked out because like i-event ukuthi uyafika, you don't even know where you're gonna sit. You don't even know what you're gonna do. You don't even know ukuthi uphefoma kanjani. Even after performance yakho sekumele ulwele imali, yabo. That video I did was because I was pissed dog ukuthi you cannot treat us ngathi singamabharo sizilima, but i-event yakho iba yi-success cause of ama-local artist who share i-post yazi ukuthi kuzubani, yabo. So if you're not gonna respect us, a day of an event ungitshela ukuthi akuphuma e-stage mina MC osekhona.